How's it going? What's up? Corbin Blanton here with a quick video on the TELESIN GoPro Dome for the GoPro Hero 9. The awesome people at TELESIN wanted to send me a bunch of their product for me to kind of mess around with, so I felt it was only right for me to do a review of some of the things that they sent me. Here it is right here. Comes with this fancy lens cover to keep your lens nice and safe. So here's the lens cover and here's the dome. So you can take it, and this is where you put the GoPro in right here on the back. This is where you pop it in, then you close the case and snap it tightly shut. And then it comes with this fancy grip, and this is actually a trigger. So what this trigger does is you take it and you push it forward, and then you push it over the top of the button here, of the shutter button, which is what will control the GoPro. And then whenever you want to take a photo or you want to start recording, you just pull the trigger. On the back here, because you won't be able to see the back of the GoPro to frame your shot, you don't need that because there's a line right here that tells you where exactly to put the water. Other than that, this thing works great. It's durable, and when I just recently used it, I didn't have any problems with this fogging up, so that's a huge plus. There's also the little strap here that you can put on your wrist to tie it tight so you don't let it go flying or like it doesn't fall off or whatever. Pretty lightweight, pretty awesome. So when I use this, I mainly use it for photos. I usually have my GoPro in time-lapse mode, taking a photo every half a second. Or if I'm trying to capture some action that's moving quickly, I will do burst mode with 30 pictures in 3 seconds. I haven't shot any video with it yet, but I plan to. But I just really like doing the over-under photos with the dome housing. They turn out pretty cool. My most recent personal experience with this thing is I was in Las Vegas and I was in the pool shooting some over-under pictures of myself with my friends or just my friends. I was also doing the hair whip pictures with a bunch of the girls, so you can check those out here. So yeah, it worked out great. This is a great little product. If you want to check out more of their stuff, check out TELESIN on Instagram and on the web at telesin-store.com. If you found this video helpful, give me a like, give me a comment, hit subscribe, because I plan on doing more of these, so I'll see you in the next one.